What's up, YouTubers? I had a question the other day emailed to me, or not emailed to me, but messaged to me. Somebody got my messenger from YouTube, found my Facebook, messaged me. They wanted to know what the best way to install a CV shaft is. I guess they had some problems with the C-clip ring and wasn't able to get it in there. So let me show you what I do and how I install these. They're actually really rather simple. So before I even go to install, I'll take some grease and I'll put it in this groove here that the C-clip's in, and this is gonna actually help it slide in a little bit better too. But once you got that C-clip, you're gonna see it's not moving around as much like it used to, and you can position that to where you want. So what you want to do is look for that open end right there. See how that part's open, and the rest of it is the rest of the clip. So you want that open end. When you go to install it, you want that on the bottom. That way it lifts it up when you're trying to push the CV shaft in, rather than trying to jam that in there. So make sure that the open end is on the downside when you're going to install it, and I'll show you how that works out. Okay, so you can see I got some grease on there, and I got my C-clip kind of holding still right where it's at. Now I'm going to find that empty edge, which is right here. That's the empty spot of the C-clip, and I'm going to face that to the bottom, and then I'm going to work this in. Once you get that started, you can give it a couple taps, and that should do it. We'll check just make sure it's lined up. Alright, once you get it popped in, just make sure you come down here and check and make sure that it's all the way in. But that's the easiest way I've found to install CV shafts. I hope that answers your question. Thanks for the question.